In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to Chatgpt, Claude, and Gemini, and all the AIs are blocking your access if you're in Hong Kong or a country that doesn't allow you to access those services. First of all, you need to get a VPN. First of all, you need a VPN access to access the free service. And if you want to subscribe and actually pay money for it, there's other services you need to subscribe to. So let's talk about VPN first. There's two options. There's a paid option and there's a free option. Let's talk about the free option. You can download the Opera browser. So let's do that. And the Opera browser comes with free VPN. For the Opera browser, just go to opera.com and then just go over to settings, type in VPN, and just click this button to enable VPN. And there you have it. You have free VPN access. As you can see, I can go to Chatgpt, I can go to Claude, so I can use all these services. The downside is that it only works when you're using the Opera browser. So on your mobile phone, you can only access it through the web browser. You can't download the Claude app or the Chatgpt app and then use it on your mobile. You have to use the web interface through Opera. And if you're trying to do some AI coding, your computer is not going through the Opera VPN. It can't access it either. But it's free, easy. You can start there. Okay, the second option is using a paid service to buy a VPN, which I'm currently doing. But there's a cheap way of doing it. Okay, so there is a way to get 45% or up to even 100% of your money back if you buy through ShopBack. Just go to shopback.com and then search for VPN and you'll see a lot of VPN services. And SurfShark right now is doing a 90% rebate, which is crazy. So you pay first, and then after a while, you get 90% of your money back. Sometimes if you keep searching, it will even offer 100% back. The second thing you're probably asking is which one's the best. I've tried a bunch of them. My favorite in terms of quality is definitely NordVPN. It's stable and it's easy to use. That's the one I would recommend you go for. But if you want to save some money, get 90% back with SurfShark. So now you have VPN access either through buying a VPN or using Opera browser. You can use all these AI services for free. Great. But at some point you probably want to subscribe and pay money to unlock more features. How do you do that? Well, a lot of times they need a credit card and they need an SMS phone number verification to verify you're in a certain country. So the first thing you probably need to use is TextVerify for SMS verification. Go to TextVerify.com, sign up for an account. You'll see something like this. Click on New SMS Verification. And then for the specific service that you're using, so let's say I want Claude, you see that there's a specific number for Claude. So click on that and then put in some money, put in a few dollars, and then for 50 cents you'll get a number, and then you can use that number to verify your service. It's really important that for the specific service you're using, you actually choose the right number, otherwise it won't work, okay? So that's your SMS verification. The second thing is payments. Go to bwildcard.com, sign up for an account, and then that will enable you to use a credit card to pay for a subscription. Similar to TextVerify, make sure you select the right service. For each service, it has a different type of credit card that's being issued. If you click the wrong one, it won't work and you'll get a penalty. So depending on the AI service you're using, select the right one so it can issue a card, put in some credits, and there you have it. Now you can pay for a subscription. That should be everything you need to get access to almost any AI service out there in Hong Kong or any restricted country. Get your VPN. Highly recommend you buying a VPN service if you're serious about AI, and then subscribing using Wildcard and TextVerify. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and join my community where you can learn more about AI as well. Check the description below.